Let's start making a cover page for a YouTube video. First, search for the Canva web application and click on the first link that appears. If you are not signed in, then sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen. Search for cover page for YouTube video and choose any template from the results. We can edit it. Remove all the existing elements by selecting everything at once using Shift+A, then click Delete. Now, we'll first change the background color. I want black on the outside and blue on the inside, so I'll make the changes accordingly. Here, you can see that I am copying the value of the blue color and then changing it to black. After that, I will select the black color area and change it to blue. Next, I will change the effect as well. Then I'll add the main heading for the video. You can write whatever you want. I am making this for my video, so I'm writing my title. Make the main sentence bold and change its color according to your background. I am using yellow because it looks bright and attractive. Now, go to the Elements section and choose the square shape with rounded edges. Enter the text, Complete Video, adjust the size accordingly, and change its background color to red to make it stand out. Then, go back to the Elements section and search for the subscribe icon. You'll find a free one, just keep searching. Once you get it, click on the element and adjust its position. Next, in the Elements section, search for the Canva logo. You'll find it easily. Select the logo and use the Edit option to blur it. Then, copy and paste it wherever you want. I'll place it here. In the Elements section, search for a like and share icon. I've used it before, so I'll take it from the Recents tab and adjust it accordingly. In the blank space on the right side, you can add your work's image or any element you prefer. If you are adding an image, apply a border to make it look attractive and style it accordingly. And that's the final look.